Women have always drummed in all cultures all over the world. We have drummed to soothe. We have drummed to restore balance. We have drummed to banish evil spirits. We have drummed as our voice. We have drummed to proclaim our power. We have drummed as warriors, fighting good fight, whatever that may be. We have drummed to speak what could not be spoken, but must be said. We have drummed to clear the way for ourselves, for each other, for our communities. We have drummed to bring together hearts and minds, in body and soul. We have drummed to play, to have fun, to kick up our heels, to enjoy, to let loose in the dance of life. We have drummed to align ourselves with the great rhythms of our Mother Earth. We have drummed to open portal to spirit, to bring guidance and wisdom for our people. We have drummed to become all that we are. We have drummed to find the pulse of our bodies, the beat of our heart, the song of our truth, the fire of our power, the dignity of our wombs, and the children that we bear and birth. With the drum we begin and end ceremonies and rituals. The drum brings us back to who we are. The drum helps us become who we are. The drum is a friend, an ally, a healer, a guide, a teacher, a spirit. With rhythm, we connect with our own spirit, with the rhythms of our bodies, rhythms of our heart, the rhythms of our souls, and the rhythm of all that is. The divine pulse that pulses through everything. The dance and flow of vibrations, of colors, of sound that is unseen but felt. With rhythm, when we drop into rhythm, when we feel rhythm, we know ourselves as women in the deepest depths without word. With rhythm, we can speak. We can say what we want to say, but may not be allowed to say, or is acceptable, or even permitted. With rhythm, we can drum out fear, shame, guilt, drum our anger into action, allow ourselves to take up space, to no longer be small, or timid, or shy. With rhythm, rhythm makes us bold, rhythm makes us brave, rhythm makes us confident. And rhythm says, make way, for she is here. A woman full, a woman free, a woman brave, unafraid to speak her truth, unafraid to take up space, who delights in taking up space, who may bring guidance, a woman with dignity, her own, a woman with power and gifts, her own. No matter what anyone thinks, or says, or feels, rhythm helps a woman say, here I am, behold, I am here, in all my glory, with all my dignity, my courage, my heart, my gifts, my soul. With rhythm, a woman receives herself first, to claim all that she is, to express all that she is, to sing herself into being. But when she knows who she is, then none can stop her, because she knows those are their own silliness, their own fears, their own belief. But rhythm allows you to come alive, allows you to feel, to move, to be unafraid, unapologetic, no longer shy or ashamed or guilty, no longer small. To yourself first, because that is the first step. And then out in the world with others. As truth, your truth. As power, your power. As beauty, your beauty. As dignity, your dignity. This is the way of the drum. This is the power, the force of rhythm. And then that, your own beat, your own rhythm, pulsates out to others, reminding them of who they are, bringing them together around a fire, around a kitchen table, in a forest, anywhere. Rhythm harmonizing families, communities, cultures, the world. There are no lies in rhythm. There is no inequality in rhythm. There are no wars with rhythm. There's only claiming, nodding, feeling each other as you feel yourselves. One, the drum beat, the beat of the drum. Rhythm reminds people, groups, communities, that they are the same, just wearing different clothes. So the drum brings together, the drum harmonizes a group, the drum makes family, community, country. That's for another day.